Hello guys, so there is good news regarding the Canada immigration, the pilot program that is seeking to recruit caregivers from all over the world and grant them permanent residency. So the current program that was in place ended on June 17th, meaning the new pilot program is going to start soon. But guys, I get so many emails, I get so many DMs asking me they want to apply for the new program. The first step is to get a job. And I want to share with you how so many people are getting job offers and are waiting to receive the green light for the new program so that they can become permanent residents of Canada. The biggest thing is your CV. Guys, you need to craft a very good CV. And allow me to tell you some things. I'm going to share with you about 5 or 6 things that you need to totally avoid on your CV. If you want to get a job, just as so many of my followers are getting a job, you need to avoid these things. Number one, your marital status should not appear on your CV. Nobody is interested in whether you are single or whether you are married. It might be acceptable in your home country, but it is not acceptable in Canada. Number two, your age. No one is interested in knowing how old you are, guys. If you want to do your CV, remove your age from your CV. Marital status, your age, we don't need it. Your religion. Your religion. So many people that have put on there, they don't even get interviews. But I have so many people that followed my secret winning CV and they got jobs. Remove your religion. No one is interested in your religion, whether you're Muslim, you're a Christian, you're a Buddhist, whichever religion you are, guys, nobody is interested. Point number four, your hobbies. Do not include any hobby on your CV unless it is related to the job that you're applying for. I don't see any reason why you should put on there singing and playing football on your CV when you're applying for a caregiving job, right? Don't include it unless it is related. So I don't even know what is going to be related to a caregiving job, but your hobbies must not be included on your CV. Right, guys, point number five. You don't need to include your high school or primary school or basic education if you already have a college degree or you have a university degree. All those ones they are not interested in. If you just have high school, just put only high school. If you have a college degree, I'll just encourage you to put a high school and college degree. If you have a master's degree, just put a master's degree and a college degree. You don't need to include your primary education. Nobody is interested in that. Point number six, make sure you are using a relevant and appropriate professional email address. Guys, don't just make any email address. You make sure that your email address at least contains your name. You know, any random emails like, mountainfire@gmail.com, Hosanna, this, that. Let your email be as professional as possible. That is the point number six. Point number seven. Make sure you are taking away any irrelevant work experience. If you're applying for a caregiving job, I don't see why you should include jobs that are related to things like, maybe accounting or, you work in a banking industry. The two do not go hand in hand. So take away any irrelevant working experience. Take it away from your job CV, because if you do that, nobody is going to call you for an interview. And the last point that I would like to share with you is that your CV should be at least, or at most 2 pages or 3 pages long. So make sure you are using bullet points and you are stating your work experience using clear, concise, simple English. Then the simple way for you to be able to go about this is that if you take a look at the job description that you're applying for, get some of the keywords, get some of the key job responsibilities, and include that on your CV. If you do this, you are going to be part of those people that are getting a job. So I want to encourage you to follow me, like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and I'm going to see you in Canada soon as a permanent resident. Take care.